First ball possession ay sa hardcore. Pass number 51. Not good. And rebound dito ng Phantom Hoops and fast break pass with an easy 2 points. On jersey number 6. And here's number 14 on the dribble. Lalo yung pass tapikan. And fast break pass again para kay Team. With an easy 2 points by number 26. And there's number 51. There's number 15. Supply nga lang. And a fast break pass to 26 with an easy lay. There's number 14. Supply. Here's Lucido. Pass to number 15. Fires a 3. Supply nga lang. Another pass break pass to number 26. Pass to jersey number 6. Cross court pass. And basket by number 19. The score natin ay 10-2 in favor of Phantom Hoops. Here's number 51. Supply nga lang. And a basket by number 15. 8 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Pasa sa ilalim. Nasapal nga lang. And here's number 51 on the drive. And number 6, Yaliu pass to jersey number 26. Here's number 14, pasa sa kanan. Masyadong malakas yun. But here's number 3. With a floater shot. Niluwa nga lang. And number 51, pull-up J. Supply pa rin. And a fast break pass para dito ay number 6. And the fourth timeout on the hardcore. And here's number 14. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Here's 51 for 3. 3 balls. Pass sa kaliwa. Here's number 3. 15 on the shot clock. Here's 26 for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 15. On the attack. Supply nga lang. And pass to jersey number 3 with an easy lane. And timeout muna tayo rito sa Team Hardcore. And our score is 6 possession on Team Hardcore. Three. Here's number 19. Supply nga lang. And there's 51. But there's a foul para dito kay number 19. And the first personal foul and the first team foul. Supply ang unang free throw. Supply pa rin. Suji. Pasa sa kanan. Here's number 3. And turn over para dito sa Phantom Hoops. And here's number 14 dribbling the ball. Pass to jersey number 15. Attempt for 3. Supply. Here's number 3. Wala pa rin. Tapikan. Here's number 3. Basket yan. 18-10 ang ating score. Here's number 51 with the basket. Here's Evangelista. Ang gandang pasa nun. Basket yan. Here's number 14. Attempt for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 3 with a pull-up. Jay, wala pa rin. And a pass break pass na agkawan nga lang ni Aquino. Attempt for 3. Bronze by number 51. Here's number 11. Pass sa kaliwa. Attempt for 3. Play nga lang. Tapigan. Here's number 51 on the dribble. 15 on the shot clock. Here's Aquino. Pass to number 15. 10 to shoot. Pass to number 51. Not good. Pass to lead. Evangelista, but there's a foul para dito kay jersey number 15. It is first personal foul and first team foul. Ready for substitution. Sablay ang unang free throw. And the second free throw dito para kay Evangelista. Substitution. Pass to Aquino. Pass la kaliwa. Here's Lee on the drive. Basket yan by number 26. Pass to Aquino for 3. 23 to 18 ang ating score. Here's Castaneda. Pass to Lee for 3. Not good. Pass to number 51. Ushano. Basket yan. Ready for substitution. Here's number 11. Pass to Lee. Sablay nga lang. 2 points by number 26. Here's Aquino. Attempt for 3. Not good. And a pass break pass at 26. Spin. Supply pa rin. But put back by number 26. Substitution. Substitution. Pasok. Here's number 14 with the easy layup. And pass to number 26. Pasa dito kay number 11, back to number 6 with a side step move. Supply nga. Pasa number 3. Not good. But there's a foul pushing all out. But there's number 29. And this first personal foul and second team foul. Here's number 3. Pasa sa ilalim. 10 on the shot clock. 5 to shoot. Here's number 6 for 3. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining. 28 to 24 ang ating score. But here's number 15 for 3. 3 balls. number 11. Nabitawan nga lang. And a ball possession on Team Harper. With 1 minute and 32 seconds remaining. Here's number 40. Ten on the shot clock. That's rapid league violation. Warning on jersey number 26. Here's number 10. Supply nga lang. Pass to lead for 3. Not good. Kapikan and ball possession on Phantom Hoops. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Here's number 6. Passes sa kanan. Number 3. Supply nga lang. Kapikan. And pass dito kay number 15. With the drives. Not good. Pass to number 11. Fires in 3. Not good. Supply pa rin. Basket by jersey number 6. Twenty seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. Basket by number 26. 10 seconds. There's Aquino. 5 seconds. Basket. Para kay Aquino. Basel na lang. And the first quarter, our score is 32-29. Pass to Aquino. 15 on the shot with a floater shot. Not good. And here's number 6. Waiting his team. And a pass to jersey number 3. Supply nga lang. And here's number 14. Waiting the ball. Passes sa kaliwa. Here's number 6 for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 15. With a floater shot, sablay pa rin. Here's Orata with the effort. Rebound niya ba? And pass to jersey number 6. Steal by Orata. With the drives, basket is good. Here's number 3. Passes sa kaliwa to number 26. Supply pa rin. Pass to number 3. Here's Castaneda. Passes sa kanan. Supply nga lang. Pass to 51. 2 points. Here's the Bangilista. With a layup. Kanya pa rin. Supply nga lang. Our score is 35-32. Basket again by number 51. Ready for timeout on Team Phantom Hoops. And passes 0-0. Passes sa kanan. Fires in 3. 3! Ball. By number 3. Here's jersey number 14. Dribbling the ball at them for 3. Not good. Rebound by number 7. Pass number 6 for 3. 3! And a timeout. Phantom Hoops. our score. And we're back to the ball game. And pasa dito kay Castaneda. With a quick drive, basket is good. Grabe, parehong mabibilis. Passenger number 51, cross-court pass to Orata. Pasa sa gitna, nakagawan nga lang. Here's number 6. Oh, binali-bali pa. Number 51, nakagawan. 0-0. Pasa sa kanan. Here's number 14. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Delora. Spin. Shot. Supply nga lang. There's number 51 with a pull of J. Not good. Time remaining 6 minutes and 13 seconds. Basket. Ready for substitution. There's number 14 dribbling the ball. Pasa sa kanan. Pass to Orata. Basket. And at 2 points. Break pass to Evangelista with a fade. Basket yan. Ready for timeout on hardcore. Here's Aquino. Fires a 3. Not good. Rebound by number 15, but there's a foul. By 0-0. Timeout. Hardcore. Basket on the first free throw para dito kay number 15. Supply. And a ball possession on Phantom Hoods, but here's number 6. With a bloater shot. Supply nga lang. Here's Aquino. Pasa sa kanan. Back to the Lora with a good bait. Ang ganda na. 45-44. And a turnover para dito sa Phantom Hoods. Substitution. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Orata. Pass to Aquino for 3. Not good. And pass to jersey number 11. On the 3 ball. Pass to jersey number 26. Supply. Pass to 26, basket. Here's number 14. Still by number 11. With a drive, but there's a foul para dito kay number 7. And his first personal foul and first team foul. Supply ang unang free throw. Rebound by number 6. There's Orata. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Not good. Rebound by number 11. Pass to 26. In the drive. Sablay nga lang, nailang. Pero nandun si number 6. Oh, nice cue. Here's number 51. Pass sa kaliwa. Here's Aquino. Crossword pass to Orata for 3. But 3 seconds violation. And our time is 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Here's the Laura pass to number 51. Spin. Oh, that's a rejection by 0-0. There's number 26. Foul on, there's number 51. Stepping on the line and a ball possession. Seven minutes and 18 seconds remaining. Ready for substitution. Here's Aquino. Basket yan. Baba sa isang puntos ang lamang ng Phantom Hoops with a 48-47. Sablay nga lang. Here's Orata. Value pass to 51. And a foul has been called para dito kay number 51. Substitution. There's number 51 and the second personal foul and a second team foul. 13 foul. Pass to number 0. Passengers number 26. Here's number 6. Two points on number 26. 50-47 ang ating score. Here's Orata, attempt for 3. 3 balls. All 50 ang ating score. Pass to Lim. Here's Peñalosa for 3. Saklay nga lang. And another steal para dito kay jersey number 6. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Five seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Evangelista. Basket yan. Passengers number 6 to 15. But there's a foul on jersey number 11. And his first foul in second team foul. Here's Orata. Not good. Rebound by number 0. And a pass break pass dito kay number 6. Pass to 26. Basket. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds remaining. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the Laura. Passes sa labas. 3 balls by number 5. Shot clock is off. 8 seconds. Pass to Lim. 5 seconds. Here's Lim. End of second quarter. Toss, 54 to 53. Alright, game na tayo. Here's the Laura with the J basket with a pull-up J. And pass to Peñalosa with a sidestep move. And a basket count, may kasama pang foul by number 7. Second personal foul and a first team foul. (56-55), lamang ng isa ang Phantom Hoops. Basket. Here's number 14, dribbling the ball. Pass to Orata. But there's a foul. Oh, there's number 0. Second personal foul and a first team foul. Same ball. Here's number 3, 11-3. Sablay nga lang. 5 to shoot. Sablay. Sablay nga lang. Sayang yun. Here's Orata for 3. Not good. Pass break pass by yours number 6. But there's a foul on jersey number 6. Substitution. That is first personal foul and third team foul. Sablay ang unang free throw. Not good. Here's Orata, pass to the Laura. Basket. 58-57. Lamang dito ng isa ang hardcore. Here's Castaneda. Pass to number 11-6. Sablay nga lang. And pass to Orata. Yung pass to 28. Sablay nga lang. And ball possession ng Phantom Hoops. Pass jersey number 6, alley pass to 0. Here's number 3, Sablay. And pass to Orata. And that's carrying the ball violation and substitution mo na. So the Sido, number 15 out. Pass break pass to Peñalosa with a pull-up jumper. Sablay nga lang. Pass to Aquino. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Still by lead. Pass to Peñalosa. Basket by number 6. And same ball. Wait up 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Orata na agawan nga lang. Here's number 26 with a finish. Basket is good. here's Lucino dribbling the ball. And there's a foul on there's number 6. And here's 51. Not good. Here's the passengers number 3 with a basket. 64-58 ang ating score. And pasa sa kaliwa, back to Aquino. Here's number 51. 3 points. Pass break pass dito kay number 6. With a fake. And a pass to Castaneda. Back to number 0. Tapikan. Here's number 6. Wala pa rin. Pass to 26. Basket. 66-61. Lamang ng 5 ang Phantom Hoops. With 5 minutes and 49 seconds. Pass to Shano. Not good. Pass to Oraka. But there's a foul on number 11. Second personal foul and 13 foul. Sabay nga lang. And pass break to number 26. Not good. Stepping down the line. And a substitution. So we got that in. And Shano out for a while. Here's Aquino dribbling the ball. Pass to Orada. Ilapag na lang. Baba sa 3. Ang lamang ng Phantom Hoops. Here's Aquino. Pass sa gitna. But same ball tayo. With a kick ball violation. Here's number 15. Basket by number 15. 66-65. And a ball possession on Team Hardcore. Pass to number 14. Pass to Orata. For long 3. 3 balls. Namang na ng dalawa ang Hardcore. Here's the pass to Castaneda. 4-3. Not good, pero nandun si number 0 with a basket. Count. With a foul on jersey number 15. And the second personal foul and a third team foul. Not good. 14 foul na pala sila. And a pass to number 6. Sablay pa rin. And a rebound on Talora. With a drive, but there's a foul para dito ay number 0-0. Third personal foul and warning for penalty. Basket. Sablay. Here's Penalosa. Pass to number 0. Here's Lee for 3. Not good. And here's Aquino. Pass to Orata for 3. Sablay na lang. Tapikan. And a ball possession ng Hardcore with the 14 seconds on the shot clock. And There's a foul on number 14. Penalty na rep. Penalty na. And there's a number 14 that is first foul and a team penalty. Basket by number 7. And a foul on there's number 51. And a second personal foul and a team penalty. And a rebound by number 6. Basket by jersey number 6. And here's Aquino dribbling the ball. 15 on the shot clock. Here's 51 for 3. 2 points now, 2 points. Pass to Castaneda. Timeout! Hardcore. Pass to Orata. Pass to Delora with a pull-up J. Saklay nga lang. Pass to jersey number 3. And 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to Castaneda for 3. Not good. Pass to Delora. Here's Delora. Pass to number 17. Air ball. Pass to Lim. Nakagawan nga lang ni Orata. And pass to jersey number 15. Basket. 75-72 ang ating score. Here's number 6, pass to 0-0 with easy 2 points. 1 minute and 50 seconds remaining para sa ating third quarter. Here's number 14. Basket by number 15. Here's number 3. Nakagawan.
Okay.
And kick ball violation. Ball possession ng Phantom Hoops. Pass to 0-0. Here's number 6. Sablay. Rebound by Evangelista. Not good. Pass to jersey number 6. Fake. With a floater shot. Niluwa nga lang. And pass to Delora. With a drive, but there's a foul on jersey number 26. That is first personal foul and warning for penalty. And ready for timeout on the Phantom Hoops. In 5 seconds remaining. Basket by Castaneda. And here's Aquino. 45 seconds remaining. Nakagawan nga lang. And pass break pass using the glass. Basket is good. Oh, 78. 30 seconds remaining. kanan. Here's 51. Sablay pa rin. 20 seconds remaining. Here's Lim. 3 points by number 26. 10 seconds remaining. That's blocking foul on jersey number 3. Penalty na tayo. And the first personal foul and it's penalty. With a 9.5 seconds. Sablay, 9 seconds. And there's a foul on jersey number 51. Personal foul and it's a penalty. Both teams. Basket or first free throw. 6 seconds remaining. Basket again, and it's 2 out of 2 on free throw line. Buzzer na lang. End of the third quarter. Velasquez for our last game and sort of last quarter. Here's number 51. Basket yan. Minegos pa. Passengers number 0, pass to Lim. Then 15 seconds on the shot clock. Pasok Castaneda, ang gandang pasa nun para dito kay Evangelista. And we're live dito sa page ng Heart Boys. Shoutout po sa Heart Boys. Pass number 7. Here's Orata. Hand to shoot. Here's Aquino for 3. Not good. Tapikan. And here's the Laura, may dalang bola, pasa sa kaliwa. 3 points by number 51. Our score is 85 to 83. Dalawa lang ang lamang dito ng Phantom Hoops. Pass to 26, step back 3. Air ball. And the ball goes to the other way. Passengers in number 14. Here's Aquino. Pasa sa kanan. Here's Lucido for 3. Not good. And a ball possession pa rin ng hardcore. With a 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to the Laura. Basket. Oh, 84. Here's number 3. Here's Castaneda. Not good. And there's a foul. There's number 6. That is first foul and first team foul para dito sa Phantom Hoops. And shout out kay Pandro Gaya. 3 points. Lamang na ng tatlo ang hardcore. Here's 51. Not good. Rebound by 0-0. Passengers number 6. Pasa sa kanan. Niluwa nga lang. Tapikan. And the ball possession ng hardcore. jersey number 14. And the second personal foul in the first team foul. Shot clock by 15 seconds. Here's number 6. 10 on the shot clock. Pass to number 0 for 3. Saklay nga lang. Pa-winning ball nito kay Orata. Muntik pa makagawan. Pass to Aquino. Nahalo yung pass. But there's a foul on jersey number 00. Third personal foul and a second team foul on Team Phantom Hoops. Basket on the first free throw. Not good. Pass to jersey number 00. Pass to Lee for 3. Not good. Tapitan. Nakuha ulit ni Lim. Basket yan. ₱89 to 87 ang ating score. Pass to Orata. Here's the Laura. Not good. Tapitan. Nakuha pa rin ni Laura ang basket yan. Not good. And that's foul on jersey number 3. Phantom Hoops. Second personal foul and the third team foul. Pass to 51. Pass to 26. Basket. Yan. By number 6. Passengers number 14. Pasa sa kaliwa. Here's Orata to Dalora. That's traveling violation. Four minutes and 50 seconds remaining. And both possession ng hardcore. Time out hardcore. Alright, balik tayo sa laro. And here's Aquino pass to jersey number 15. And pass to 26 using the last basket was good. All 91 ang ating score. Here's number 51. Pass sa kanan. Here's Aquino. That's rejection. Time remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds. Pass to Evangelista. Traveling violation. All 91 ang ating score. With the 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining. Here's Orata, step back 3. 3! Oh. What a James Harden move. Pass sa kaliwa. Here's Tim. Pass to 0-0. And a turnover para dito sa Phantom Hoops. Three minutes and 25 seconds. Here's Orata with a long 3. Sablay nga lang. Tapitan. Nakuha ni Dalora. Basket yan by Dalora. Na pass break pass. Still nga lang. Back to Orata. Pass to Aquino. 15 on the shot clock. Pass to Delora. Saklay nga lang. Tapigan. Not good. Still by Sulibaga. Offensive foul. Tinawag ng ating referee by number 7. That is third personal foul and second team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Minutes and 45 seconds ang natitirang oras. Here, number 6. Pasa sa kanan. Here's Castaneda. Not good. Rebound by number 7. Pasa 14. 96 to 91 ang ating tandaan. Here's Aquino. Nakagawa niya lang. Pass Pinalosa to leave. To Castaneda. Sablay pa rin. Here's 26. Far to 3. Not good. Here's Libaga. Pass sa kaliwa. Last 2 minutes. Passengers number 14. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Not good. Here's number 6. Pasa sa kanan. Basket yan. And timeout. Hardcore. Wala na pong timeout ang hardcore. But to the ball game. Here's number 6. A shot clock by 10 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. And a turnover on hardcore. 96 to 93 ang ating score. Tatlo lang ang laman dito ng hardcore. Pass to 0-0. Castaneda for 3. Boys. All 96 ang ating score with 1 minute and 8 seconds remaining. Tapigan. Nakuha ni number 0. Pass to number 6 using the glass. Basket is good. Pass to Sulibaga. There's a foul on jersey number 11. That is 44 fouled out and 14 foul. Last 1 minute. Shot clock by 10 seconds. Here's Corrado. Play nga lang. And a pass to Lim. 35 seconds remaining. Pass to 26. And a ball possession dito. Na Bantam Wolves with 11 seconds on the shot clock. Five seconds to shoot. Basket. 23 seconds remaining. Ball possession ng hardcore. 100 to 96 ang ating score with 17 seconds remaining. Pass to Orrata. And there's a foul. And penalty na. Ref penalty. And 0-0. Timeout. Bantam Wolves. Nasa 0-0. 14 seconds na lang ang natitirang oras. And free throws dito by number 6. Basket. 100-97. Wala na pong timeout, both teams. 100-98 ang ating score. And habang may oras, sabi nga nila, may pag-asa pa. Pass to number 26. Pass to Penalosa. 12 seconds. And a foul. 9.9 seconds remaining. Third personal foul and warning for a penalty. 9 seconds remaining. Passengers number 26. 8. And a foul. Passengers number 15. Penalty na. Third personal foul on number 15 and team penalty. 7.5 seconds remaining. And papasok kaya ito. Oh. Both teams penalty na. And second free throw, papasok kaya. Saklay pa rin! And that's another foul. There's number 15. Warning for foul out ka na, number 15. And two free throws again. Para dito kay number 6. Basket na. Ano ng free throw? Second free throw. And ball possession ng hardcore. Tatlo lang ang lamang ng hardcore. 6 seconds ang natitirang oras. Pass to Orata. 5 seconds. Orata for 3. Not good. In the fourth quarter. Congratulations sa Phantom Hoops. What a great team.